Are you ready to quit smoking? Just do this. A recent study conducted by a group of medical experts has found that for every cigarette you smoke, over 4,000 toxic chemicals are inhaled into the body. You should be very careful and quit smoking because most of these chemicals have been directly linked to cancer. Did you know that nitrogen dioxide ozone penetrates your body when you smoke cigarettes? This dangerous chemical damages DNA and reduces the amount of vitamin C available for use by the body. Before we tell you our secret recipe, we would like to ask you a question: are you ready to quit smoking? Well, if your answer is yes, then you should continue watching. We all know that the greatest drawback of quitting smoking is the fear of feeling anxious and depressed. But there are many herbs and supplements that can help you stop smoking. These herbs include lobelia for cigarette cravings, ginger root for nausea, St. John's wort for depression, passion flower for irritability, and rhodiola for energy. You should also know that the therapeutic benefits of essential oils can help you as well. These powerful essential oils can be used as a potent and effective treatment for smoking cessation. They work by helping you control the cravings and withdrawal symptoms associated with quitting smoking. Note, the use of certified pure therapeutic grade essentials oils is a safe and natural way to help alleviate symptoms such as irritability, anxiety, stress, fatigue, and nervousness, which are usually associated with nicotine withdrawal. As we said in this video, we are going to show you the most effective quit smoking mixture. This mixture is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just mix equal parts of lemon, black pepper, and eucalyptus essential oils. Then you need to apply oil to skin, under nose, or to a cotton ball and inhale with several deep breaths when the urge to smoke arises. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share this article with your friends and family.